Jason, you idiot. Come on, you could have bought a PS5 with that. Why, Jason? Why? Jason, you're such a clown. Like,
what have I done? What's popping, everybody? Welcome back to JCity. Today I'm going to be unboxing arguably one of the most trending tech products in the world right now. I somehow got my hands on the new AirPods Max, and these were a hassle to get. And recently these were a hot topic of discussion because of its very funny looking charging case and its very hefty price tag of $549 US, which is why today I'm going to be unboxing it. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox it and then I'll give you my first impressions of the AirPods Max. I'm honestly very excited about them. I guess we should just crack it open. I'll even need a knife because Apple has these pull tabs over here. So let's go ahead and the rip starts. Okay, so now we got them out of the plastic. Let's go ahead and reveal them. Ooh, wow, it really does look like a bra. It really does look like a purse. It has the new Apple product smell, so I guess we could just take it out of the paper. But before I do that, let me just check out what kind of documentation I have in the box. So we got AirPods Max, and we got like some quick start guide, how to play pause, turn on Bluetooth. Oh, wait, Apple stickers? Any Apple stickers? What? Wait, no Apple stickers? You're joking me. And the second thing we got in the box, other than the headphones, lightning to USB-C charger, which is kind of nice. But there is no charging brick because Apple is trying to save the environment. Now let's get to the main course themselves. AirPods Max. So I think it's covered with some kind of protective paper. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Be very gentle with the paper this time. And there we have it. Very funny looking case. Oh, the ear cups. Okay, let's go ahead and pop these off. Okay, let's try out the ear cup. Ooh. Yo, this is actually like, this screams quality. It has a very nice feeling in the hand, and it does take quite a lot of force. When you separate them, when it comes to like a certain point, these just kind of pop out. I love how you can change the ear cup super easily. Like, it just snaps on with a very satisfying click. And this is really nice to have because my old headphones are starting to, like, the ear cups are starting to like sort of fall apart, and like bits of like black stuff like always stick to my face. But these are really easily interchangeable, and ear cups are something that you should be changing like often, but people don't usually do that because it's like, you know, a hassle to like get it off. I'm just really excited to try them on, so I guess I'll try them on, but I'll take off my hat. My hair is really ugly, but it's all right. All right. I think it is in off mode right now, actually. I did something. Okay, now, whoa. Okay, I just turned on transparency mode and it sounds like there's like nothing on my head. I've always praised the AirPods Pro for having excellent transparency mode and noise cancellation mode. So these are the successor to the AirPods Pros. So they do also do a very good job. Apple did a very good job with the transparency mode. So I guess I'll just connect it to my phone. Ooh. Easy connecting with the H1 chip. With this digital crown, it's basically borrowing the same mechanic from the Apple Watch, but just in like a bigger form factor. If you click once, you can play pause. Click twice, it'll skip the song. Click 3 times, it'll go backwards. If you hold I think it'll activate Siri. And there's like a bunch of other stuff. If you turn it, it's going to change the volume. So I think that's very awesome of Apple to put something like this. Okay, so once you put on the headphones, it makes the same noise that the AirPods Pro make. I'm just gonna play some Spotify. I do stream all of my songs at 300 or like the extreme quality, so the highest that Spotify is able to go on. I did make a playlist to test out headphones. It consists of like a lot of jazz, pop, hip hop, a lot of variations so that we can kind of put the headphones through their paces. So the very first song that I am going to play is Whispers in the Dark by Yanni. Absolutely amazing song. If you guys don't know that song, you guys should definitely listen to it because Yanni's a legend. Yeah, Yanni Laurel. Yo. I don't have any EQ. Yo, I can't even hear myself talking. Yo, it's so weird. Yo, I don't even know if I'm saying stuff correctly. Okay, so right now I'm going to try, okay, I'm probably screaming right now, but I'm gonna try maxing out the volume and see if there's any distortion. Minimal distortion, even at like super loud. Yo, I literally can't hear myself talk right now. It's so weird. This is the perfect headphones for doing the whisper challenge. Okay, so I just heard, okay, I need to take these off because the noise cancellation is just incredible. So I just listened to one song and it sounds incredible. The bass is rich, the mids are really clean, and the highs have that really nice sparkle to them that I really like. And in terms of how it fits in my head, it honestly feels really good because a lot of people were saying that these are really heavy headphones, which they are. Like when you hold them, you can definitely tell there's a little bit of heft to it. But once you put it on your head, the headband really does do a good job of dissipating some of that weight from your head. Plus the clamp force on these headphones, I really like. Some might even say it's like not enough because, you know, these are Bluetooth headphones and you want to make sure that, you know, it's like tight in your head so you can go about your day and not have it, you know, fall off of your head. Of course, these aren't going to be your headphone of choice when you're going on runs because these are quite heavy and they could fall off of your head, and these are expensive AF. And I know the price is the main topic of discussion. Why are these headphones worth $549 US? Well, you have to think about the craftsmanship, the amount of engineering and designing that goes into a product like this. Like these ear cups are made from a single block of aluminum. It has to be milled, it has to be like polished to like a shine. You know, I don't know how like the processes work. That takes time. There are development teams that also focus their time on making this sliding mechanic really satisfying and really high quality feeling. And these headphones do have Apple designed H1 chips in each of them. So basically, you know how your phone can take a really beautiful picture because of computational photography? It does a little bit of magic before the photo gets delivered to your screen. Well, same thing with these headphones. Apple kind of tweaks the audio, adds a little bit of like spice, a little pepper, salt onto your audio, and then it makes this sound good before it even hits your ears. Basically like an amplifier, sort of. You can think of it like that way. Overall though, other than the design of this case, I really do like the design of these headphones. These look modern and retro at the same time. And if you wear these on the streets right now, you would probably get mugged. Also, the AirPods Max do have the ability to announce your messages if you want to activate that. Oh, one thing I really want to try is spatial audio. I loved spatial audio with the AirPods Pro. They sound incredible and they're coming from something that just, you know, it's one driver, it sticks into your ears, but this is like a bigger driver. So I do expect the spatial audio on these headphones to sound a little bit better. So let's go ahead and try that out. Yo, okay, oh my God, I'm lost for words right now. Okay, when I switched it from stereo audio to spatial audio, dude, I actually had chills, like I had goosebumps. Yo, with spatial audio, it's basically like 3D surround sound, and it sounds like the sound is coming from everywhere. So it sounds like there's like one person shaking maracas like right in front of me. It sounds like there's someone like playing the Glock like right behind me. So there are 5 colors of the AirPods Max. There is white, black, blue, or actually sky blue rather, green, and pink. And all of these colors are sold out like until like March, because you know, people are saying like no one's gonna buy them, but like now you have to like wait until March to get these. So it's a miracle that I actually were able to get these because I didn't pre-order them. These headphones do have a battery life of 20 hours with noise cancellation or transparency mode on, and the battery life could be extended if you turn off these features. But there are some cons with these headphones that a lot of people are talking about. The biggest one for me being the fact that you have to carry around this case in order to put it to a low power mode. Like I can't believe like 100 engineers like worked on these headphones, and not one person said anything about like we have to have this charging case in order to turn off the headphones. If you don't put your headphones in the charging case, it will take 2 hours to go into low power mode, but if you slip it into the case, then it's going to go into low power mode. But again, you have to carry around this case, and this case doesn't even protect. Like, yo, I'll show you what a real case is supposed to look like. Like, this is what a real headphones case should look like. Like something that's like hard, something where you can put your headphones in, something that actually like comes with cables. Like, yo, this actually comes with cables. And Apple, I have to like buy a separate cable. So Apple's like making a lot of money right now. And I did also pick up, why did I pick this up? I picked up the Lightning to 3.5 millimeter audio jack, which I have no idea why I did that. But I mean, I guess we're in the topic of this, so I guess I might as well also unbox it and try it out. Okay, so with the cable, it honestly sounds just as it would with the Bluetooth. It doesn't make that much of a difference. Something that I'm very curious about is what happens if I switch this side with this, because this is basically a double-sided lightning cable. So what if oh yeah, it definitely still works. So yeah, Apple absolutely robbed me for selling another lightning to headphone jack cable for like, I don't even want to think about how much this costs. I also think this case itself is really weird. You know, there are some slots over here which makes the metal and ear cups exposed to like scratching. The headband is straight up just exposed and it acts as the handle. And I'm not sure if this mesh will last like a very long time. Like, I really don't know, because this is arguably like one of the most fragile parts of the headphones, and it's not even protected by the case. These headphones are very expensive, and that is why these headphones are like all over the news right now. But the thing is, Apple didn't design these headphones to be a good deal headphones. No, Apple is trying to make it so that this is like a status symbol. Apple wants to make these headphones to be like the Louis Vuitton of technology, which is with like all Apple products. So it really shouldn't be a surprise that Apple made these headphones so expensive. Plus, a lot of engineering had to go into these headphones to create something that is so elegant and so beautiful. If you really think about it, Apple is really smart with the way that they designed it and the way that they priced it. So, you know, it looks kind of funny when it's in the case. So a lot of people are going to talk about it, and that's just free press. And because they price it this way, people are going to start making comparisons like, oh, you can buy an iPhone SE for the same price as these headphones, or you can buy AirPods Pro with an Apple Watch SE for the same price as like this, for example. But that's just basically free marketing for Apple. Like, Apple is so smart for doing that. Are these headphones worth $549 US? Probably not to most people. Well, definitely not for most people. But to the people that did buy them, they would be very happy with what they purchased. Like, if you forget about the price, like, these are a very beautiful set of headphones. So to sum up this video all in a couple of sentences, yes, these are a very expensive pair of headphones. But if you're willing to pay the price for them, you are getting a very solid pair of headphones with excellent build quality, sound quality, and features. I just can't wait until I test these out for a couple of weeks. I'll wear them and I'll write my final review on them. So definitely stay tuned for that. And I will also be having a video out on these excellent pair of headphones, the Drop Panda headphones. So I can't wait until I also write my full review on these headphones as well. That being said, I want to make this clear. This is only a first impressions and unboxing video. It's not meant to be like a review or anything. This is just to get my initial reaction to the unboxing experience, and also with trying these headphones out for the first time. So yeah, if you guys are new to JC, you guys should definitely click that subscribe button and enable those bell notifications, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this quick and wholesome unboxing and first impressions video. That's it for me in this video. I will catch you guys in the very next video. Peace.